Hello traders, this is Trading System Masterclass Part 6. We will discuss market patterns, how we can use the market patterns with a trading system. One of the common trading mistakes is the violation of the market pattern. Alright? Though a lot of day traders are violating the higher time frame, they make their trading decision on a single time frame. Even some of TSG traders, though we told them not to do it, I know some traders, okay, I understand because myself I've done it before. They go on the lower time frame and they start making the decision with the indicators. That's not the right way forward, all right? But one of the biggest, in fact, the biggest swing trading mistake is the violation of the market pattern. Okay, so the biggest day trading mistake is to trade on one single time frame, and the biggest swing trading mistake is to violate the market patterns. There are only three market patterns. The first one is the horizontal channel. The second one is the declining channel, and the third one is the rising channel. You can trade commodity, futures, any financial instrument. You only see three market patterns: rising, declining, horizontal. This is something we can work with, very important. So as we are using a trading system, either TSC-34 or SYS-08, or your own trading system, you want to know the market pattern. Well, if you do not know the market pattern, if you do not check the market pattern, if you do not validate the market pattern, you can make a lot of mistakes. Now, I need to speak to some traders, all right? Because though some traders are applying this, strategy, sometimes they miss one important point, which I'm going to discuss in this video. So, for instance, here you see we are on the weekly chart. This is Verizon Communication, American stock, Epic VZ, Victor Zulu. So, you can see here on this weekly chart, the price is in a rising channel. Yes or no? Okay. So, traders will give priority to bullish signal on the edge here, provided that the price display, a higher high before retesting this level, as we have discussed in the part 5 of this series of videos. If it fails to display high before retesting the base, we will be very, very careful. On the other hand, if the price in a declining channel, trader will be looking for opportunity to sell on the upper end of the declining channel. But if the price displays higher low before retesting it, we need to be very, very careful unless the price retesting horizontal key level, as I'll show you also in the video that we call part 5, Trading System Masterclass part 5. Alright, watch it. So now, what I need to say to traders is that sometimes, suppose here we are on a weekly chart, so you can see that the price is in a rising channel, but for a few weeks it was also going down. So on a daily chart, during that time when the price is pulling back like this, suppose you are using your market pattern on a daily chart, you will see a declining channel. Alright, so this is a declining channel for somebody who is on a daily chart. But because you are on a daily chart, you are using your setup like this, you want to sell on the, can you see? Let me zoom into it to explain to you what we are discussing here, moment please. All right, can you see now? So you're on a daily chart, because now we're on a weekly chart. During that time, this session here, the price will be in a declining channel, for many days. All right. So you have your declining channel. You say, George, the market pattern is bearish. All right, because you didn't check, the higher time frame to see what's happening. You say, it's a declining channel. We can't deny it. And you want to sell on the edge here. What I say to traders, after you see a market pattern on one time frame, just be a little bit curious if you can see, another higher time frame. Like now, you're on a daily chart like this, and you see it in a declining channel during that time. If you were a bit curious, you will know that though the price is pulling back like this, on the weekly chart, in fact, the price is trying to retest, okay, this support level here, all right? Okay, you see? It went up, it went horizontal a little bit, and it's trying to retest it. So you will know that this is just, okay, a minor cycle in a bigger cycle. So as you can see here also, for many days the price went down. So during that time, those who were stuck on a daily chart will see a declining channel, and so they will say it's bearish. But it's not 100% bearish. It's just a part of the cycle. You are seeing a mini cycle. So what I want to say to traders that are applying this method, to be a bit curious. So when you see the market pattern, suppose you are on a 2-hour chart, you're on a 4-hour chart, and you see a declining chart, just be a little bit curious, go to the daily chart. Nothing should stop you even to go to the yearly chart or weekly chart to see. So you will notice that though the price is in this declining channel on the daily chart, the bigger cycle is still bullish, provided that the price breaks above, okay, this trend line and retest it here. All right, you see now? So, but if you are just using the market pattern without being a bit, so the point I'm trying to stress on is to validate the pattern. So we see a declining channel on the daily chart, we want to validate it. We want to check a bit on the higher time frame whether there is a bigger channel, all right? Like you can see here, it's a bigger channel, all right? So they are just rolling it down and bounce up again. All right, now we are here. So now we are on the weekly chart, we see it's in a rising channel. Well, just be a little bit curious. Okay, let's go to the monthly chart. Okay, it's still in place, you can see. But don't forget, sometimes traders forget, because they are in a rising channel, they say it's going to go up forever. It's not going to go up forever. Look on your left-hand side, no, the horizontal level, the key levels. All right, so you see now, so this is what we are talking about, paying attention to the market pattern first, but you want to validate the market pattern by being a bit curious, checking a higher time frame. All right. I'll go back again to the weekly chart. We are talking about how we can use a trading system like professional traders. This is about trading system masterclass part 6. Let's continue with our discussion. All right, the thing that I want traders to know so they can use their trading system, okay, more efficiently. You see here the price in a declining channel. You see, so 2 point winning, this point and this point. So now we know it's holding it down. All right, so it's in a declining channel. But during that time, you can see that though it's in a declining channel, you see, went down nicely like this. During this session here, for many weeks, more than 6 weeks, the price was going up. Somebody who was stuck on the daily chart or even on the 4-hour chart, during that time will see a rising channel and will see that the market pattern is bullish. We will say that the market pattern is temporary bullish. All right? Until it breaks above the bigger channel, is still bearish because it's still in a declining channel. All right, so this is one thing I want you to pay attention to when they are using the market pattern. Sometimes also in the horizontal channel like this is a good example also here. The price oscillating, you see here, it's oscillating, but suddenly it was giving some information here. It started displaying lower high, lower lows, you see, up to the edge like this. So the price, though the market pattern itself was horizontal, if you were on a daily chart, we will say, no, George, it's not horizontal. It's not horizontal at all. It's in a declining channel. So someone on a daily chart will see a declining channel like this, but it's not declining channel. It's still a horizontal channel. So that's why it's so important to use different time frames to see the bigger picture, so one does not limit oneself, okay, to one time frame and make a wrong decision. So this is a good one. So the price was in horizontal channel, then in a bearish channel, but it popped out of it. Trader want to buy. All right, you want to buy, okay? You want to buy it, okay? All right. So this is about the trading system masterclass part 6.